airport pala dito eh. Ocean already. Big, huh? Look, they get the nice island there. Dito tayo bababa. In Hawaii, you can catch crocodile, shark, they don't care. Ito mga kabolen, at kami pupunta sa beach nila. Ito raw ang beach ng Portland. Tingnan natin kung wala may sinabi sa mga beach natin sa Hawaii. Oh my God. Puro full ass. Ang dami namin pinuntahan na beach. Hindi man beach ha, lake lang. Wala kaming parkingan. Anak putang beach nila da. Sa Baningalte. Pagod na yung pa ako. Ang layo. Ay. Hala! Wait! You gotta watch out the crocodile. Hala! They said get crocodile, you know. They said get the crocodile. Yeah, no, they said get. They said get. Di Baningalte. Masakit na yung paa ko eh. Baningalte nga ni Malo. Para ka rin bumaba sa wifi oh. Ay anak puta. Nakailan miles na kami, ng LT. Half a mile na. Yung mga apo ko, yung si Hela, si Luna, at saka si Liam. Nasa likod sila Terry, Mary Jane, Manang Mary Jane. Nasa likod sila Manang Mary Jane, Dexter, si Teresita, at saka yung girlfriend ni Dexter. Nasa likod sila. Ay anak puta, pagod na ako. You gotta wait. You gotta ask the people, wait. No, you gotta wait your daddy because he don't know where we're going, which side. Oh. Anong masasabi mo? Takla.
Maganda sa atin. Baka may prawns dito, no?
Kunya naman, sa katakawan, ikaw naman oh. Maawa ka na sa kanila. Wala na silang beach. Kukunin mo pa yung prawns nila. O yan o. Nandyan na o. Kung marami kang karga, paano? Pang barbecue, ano? Ay, apo. Yan ang... That's cold water. Diyan na lang tayo sa Masilong ay. Walang kinabukasan dito. Mainit pala pero pag dinala mo yung kwan, it's too heavy the tent. We just sit down here. Oh my God. Yan, dyan kayo. Oh, ang dami palang tao doon, oh. Look mo. Hey! Ay, nauubos si Kwan eh. Liam! You get the cat's cold, you know. Okay. Look, plenty people that side. Look. Oh. There. Kumana nga yung subukan yung tubig? Nang mawala yung galis mo? Malamig yan, you know. Parang yelo.
Parang white dito.
Hindi, parang yung tubig malamig. Sa YPO, mainit eh.
Alang-alang ka kumabado tanak mo ah. Tuta po.
Hi, oh my God!
Where you get that one?
Huh?
Did you bring from Big Island?
Ladies, hi, how are you?
Aliana.
Ay, Oliana!
Kamhag-drama. Why you look? They use you
Sabi,
for the pigs.
I know that the US I do
Go hug Ken.
hello. Hey, Grandma.
You know, go take that.
Oh, did you guys rent that one? They rent? You rent?
Ladies, sisters. The boat.
Oh.
The boat.
She said they go get the speaker.
Here, have a line paddle. Here, how about you paddle with me?
Somebody parks down there and jumps the vehicle.
Oh, really?
We did it with kayaking.
You know, Luna Slippery stay in the shuttle already.
Oh, really? Gone?
Yeah.
Yo, look, only one right there.
Baka wala niya naman yung ano. Paano, wala ka. Walaan mo tayo.
Grab it.
No, I mean it looks cool. Luna, stop. That's nice. This is nice. This is Atitoki's. It's really expensive. We treat it with respect.
Baka mawala na yung paddle
Wait,
na
hold on,
yun.
hold on, stop. You need to
Kakulay daw magsikulay. Kasi tayo nga paganda pa niya nga lang speaker.
Hindi sa kanila yan. O, narantan.
Kay kapatid ni Lili, ay,
Oo.
hiram lang nila.
Meron ako ganyan. Maganda pa yung sa akin mga ganyan.
Maganda lang nga rin dito. Kaya, gulta.
Tayo, haha. Hindi yun. Yeah.
No, 25?
Hey, hey, hey. Shh, shh. Okay, we go. Where's Manang? Ah, there. Yung Mabi. Oh.
I saw it. I love my bag on my car. You can see
Ulan na. Ito, nandito na kami sa parking lot. Ngayon medyo wala ng tao kasi gabi na. Mag-alas 9 na, oh. Pero maliwanag pa rin. Nauna na kami naglakad dahil mahirap ang lakaran. Malayo rin eh. Hindi katulad sa Hawaii na i-park mo lang dito ang car mo, nandyan na yung beach. Tapos sa kanila sapa-sapa lang. Ito nga dahil yun ang soda ni Jack Sir kanina. Nakikita ko. Maganda yung ano dito. Kung pwede kang mag-barbecue dyan, ano?
Meron ka ng mesa-mesa.
Oo. Malaki pala kalaman ng mga ito, na.
Yun ang ginagawa nilang troso eh.
Oo. Di kala ko parang bulak. Pine tree.
Ayun, may mesa doon. Ayun natin sila.
Bukas pupunta kami sa Seattle, Washington. Anong oras daw tayo alis? Anong oras tayo alis bukas? Maga. 3 hours drive daw. Pero galing na kami doon. Nagpunta na ako doon. Punta na rin kami nung last year. Dahil last year nandito kami. Tapos nagpunta kami sa San Francisco. Tapos nagpunta kami sa Arizona. Last year. Dahil gumraduate di siya noon lang year na yun eh. Pangalawang graduate niya na ito eh. Kasi minaster niya yung degree niya. Okay. Kaya kahapon ang graduation niya. Ang tagal nila. Where's the bathroom? You go Cebu. Cebu.
Yes.
Really?
Deflate, deflate.
Okay. Okay, Manong.
Oh, really?
Mag-anak kayo. Okay, bye-bye.
I know it was so cute. The pink The blue was so awesome. Yeah, in one episode she was out with you. Remember? Yeah, when we go to the condo. We went to Calgary, but it was gonna get weird. Remember? And oh yeah, we don't have to travel festival. But that was a cool episode. Some episode she went to travel. And that's the one. I hate her. Why? No, I don't fix it. They literally don't fix it. Bro, the white girl is like basically just like a robot AI. She's so freaking. Yeah. Maybe we can AI of her. Yeah.